The BCCEC is made up of past and current sex trade workers. The coalition works toward securing human rights and empowerment for sex trade workers in BC. The BCCEC is involved in creating a supportive network for sex worker activities to have opportunities for leadership and action on issues that impact their lives and the well-being of their communities. Ensuring the fundamental recognition of human rights for sex workers, including their right to dignity, safety, equality, and empowerment. Supporting and promoting experimental leadership, the development of essential services, and a continuum of services for active sex workers through class advocacy. Supporting and advocating for enhanced prevention, education, health, and healing for women in and from the sex industry. Opening dialogue for the reduction of harm and abolition of the social, economic, and political conditions causing harm in the sex industry. The BCCEC has developed the following definitions and continuum of sexual politics to illustrate the breadth of sexual politics, exchange, and exploitation. Engagement in sexual exchange for pleasure. This includes two consenting adults engaging in sex for pleasure. The individual has choice and control or influence in exchange. Sex work. Sex work is defined as the exchange of sexual services for remuneration where both parties consent and negotiate the details of the transaction. This includes people working as escorts, exotic dancers, working on the street level, in film, on webcam, or on the phone, as a dominatrix, or doing massage. The individual has choice and control or influence in exchange. Engagement in sexual exchange for status or power. Often people refer to this as climbing the corporate ladder, but for many in this situation, choice diminishes. Individuals can refuse exchange, but risk financial loss of status, or stability. Obligated sexual exchange. An example could be a person feeling they must reciprocate after a date buys dinner and drinks, or the sex between married couples when one person feels obligated because of their position. Once again, in these situations, choice diminishes. Individuals can refuse exchange, but risk financial loss of status, or stability. Forced sexual exchange. Survival sex falls into the category of forced sexual exchange, and it is defined as a state in which an individual lacks the opportunity to refuse work. Consequently, this situation imposes emotional or psychological pressure, forcing the surrender of will. Some people need a warm bed or money to feed their kids, and some people have addictions to feed. Again, individual choice and control is lost. External forces dictate activities. Rape. Choice has been taken away, and sex is forced on the victim. Individual choice and control is lost. External forces dictate activities. Sexual slavery. This is forced prostitution, where the slave has no choice about their actions. Individual choice and control is lost. External forces dictate activities. The continuum of sexual exchange shows the range of involvement in sexual exchange. People involved may fall along the continuum at any point throughout their life journey.